Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to format plot area in Excel chart. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to create column chart. Simply select the data, you just drag with the corner and select here you can entire data. Go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column chart, and in 2D column select the first one, 2D column charts. Okay. Drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the column chart, and here you can see this is a plot area. When I keep cursor here, the plot area name here showing. Okay, simply click on the here and you can see the selected area is a plot area. This is a plot area. To format this plot area, simply right click on the plot area and click on the format plot area option. Now here you can see the right hand side, you open the format plot area. There are two ways you can format: field and line, and the second way is the effects. Okay, so in field and line there is a first option field and second is a border. In field you can fill the color in plot area. Okay, select the solid field and select here the colors. Okay, if you want to change the color you can select here the different color to fill your plot area. Okay, the second, you can use the gradient fill also. You can change here the gradient stop color. So I select the first stop in gradient and select here the different color. See the changes over here, and select the second stop and select here the different color. Third stop and here select the different color. And fourth one, I select different one. Okay. See the changes. You can feel the gradient also. Okay, and you can feel the pattern fill also. There are different pattern is available to fill the plot area. You can see the changes. You can change the color of patterns. Click on the colors option and you can select here the different color. See the changes in pattern color. You can feel the different color background also of pattern. So I select here the background option and select here the different color. See the changes over here. You can apply the different pattern fill also in your plot area. Okay. So this is the way you can use the field option. If you don't want the field color, just click on the no field and you can see the color is removed. Okay, I select the gradient field. You can see, and pattern fill. I select the pattern fill. Okay, click on the arrow. Now you can apply the different border also. Okay, so for border again click on the solid line and you can select the color of border also. So I select here the red color and you can increase the thickness. Width option, you can increase the thickness. Click on the up arrow to increase the thickness of border. You can see in the plot area the border color is changed. Okay, red color and thickness also increasing. I click again and see the thickness of border is increasing. You can change the column type line also. Okay, there are dash type line. Just click on this arrow and select the line type. Okay, see the dash type line is added on the plot area. Okay, this is a way you can use this formatting options to format your plot area. I just click on the border and the second option here, effects. Okay, you can apply the different effects. So shadow effect, glow effect, soft edge, and 3D format. So in shadow, I click on it and select here the see the effects is apply. Again in glow, I click on the glow and select here the effects. See the changes in here on the plot area border showing the effects. Okay, you can use the 3D format also. So there are different types of formatting options available. Okay, see the changes. Okay, so this is a way you can format your plot area in Excel chart. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.